Alright, you know what? I decided it's not too damn high yet. So I'm gonna do some weird freaking voodoo stuff, reaching through walls and stuff. You know, that's the way I like it. There we go. There we go. Feeling it? I'm kinda getting ready to shit myself. Wood. Okay. So, yeah, I'll fix that some other time. Maybe preferably not now. What's this? What's this? Wood. Crafting. Is there... Am I gonna need a craft? What's this? I used it, place it down. Place it down right here. Yeah, in the middle of everything. And, okay, now that I'm near that, I can make... How do I make the backness? Why is there so much backness? Wood wall. That's what I need, right? Make like 68. Should be good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's baddies here. Speed building. Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh, okay, okay. That's not what I just wanted to happen. Yes. Okay, now get out of there. Continue building my wall. Of safetiness. That should be enough, hopefully. If not, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. I just realized I need enough wood to make a door, so let's hope I have some. Ah, yes, all nice and safe. Let's make it a bit more cozy. Place this right here. This right here. There we go. Ah, yeah. Looks like I missed a spot. For sure. Good. Good, okay. So let's chop this down. Yes. Yes, okay, so chop up and place that. Place it. Place it. Good, good. And then I can jump up and destroy that, right? Oh, wait. No? Okay. Okay. You know what? I'll do all that later. Probably not on recording, because that's gonna sounds pretty boring to me. Let's make this. Replace it for this. What's this? Place it with that. No. How do I? What's that do? No. No one's telling me. What? I'm so lost. I need a furnace or something, right? Shuriken. Okay, that's pretty badass. But, okay. How do I... Oh, yeah. What is it? Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah, my house is looking nice. Get something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, why did I do that? Dang it. Oh, what's that? What the hell? I want those back. Give them back. Give them back. I want it. Go do it. What's this? You got this. Woo! Whoa, I'm like a freaking dancer. Wow! Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Oh, there's stone right below me. Alright, well, looks like this man's on the job. Super Saiyan job, only for true Super Saiyans. Something I can make to get back up, or anything? A platform, what's this? I want it. Sounds helpful. Actually, I think I want more than that. Give me more! I'll leave it at 40. Yes. Alright, so, what platform? Then, fall through. Never mind that stone, because I need a furnace. What the hell's that? Huh, what's right next to it? I'm glad I started digging down. Yeah! Yeah, no one mess with me. Dang it. You guys hear that? Should I be frightened? Let's get a torch. That right there. Kinda lights the way for us. We're gonna go. Wait, yeah, I should probably start mining that a bit. Get on me! Get on me! Nah, you can't stand to me. No. I got my shake out. What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Yeah. Spam this stuff. Oh yeah, I got my shurikens. Okay, yep, not going down there. I'm gonna go in water at this, nothing. Check myself. That's nice. Oh shit, there's some right there. I can just make it. Copper coin. Do I buy stuff in this game? Is that clay? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Okay. Okay, yeah. Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's about it for this episode. I got this thing, did a lot, made that thing, and made some water. I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, see ya.